Hey guys, I'm going to help you out with Lesson 8's homework. Let's go ahead and get started. So the way we're going to add these is using the conversion factor. 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound. And so we're going to start off with A, where it says 7 ounces plus 9 ounces. Well, that'll give us 16 ounces, which we know is equal to 1 pound. All right, let's look at B. We have 1 pound and 5 ounces plus 11 ounces. So 1 pound and 5 ounces plus 11 ounces is 16 ounces. So 1 pound and 16 ounces would just give you 2 pounds total. On part C, we have 1 pound minus 13 ounces. Well, we can't subtract ounces where there's not, so we're going to change 1 pound to 16 ounces. 16 ounces minus 13 ounces will give us 3 ounces left over. On D, we have 12 pounds and 4 ounces. Well, again, we got to change some of those pounds to ounces, so I'm going to say break up 12 pounds into 11 pounds and 16 ounces, which is the same thing as 12 pounds. And then subtract the 4 ounces. So I'll be left with 11 pounds and 12 ounces. Alright, let's look at E. We have 3 pounds, 9 ounces plus 9 ounces. Well, when I combine the ounces, I'll get 18 ounces. Well, that's more than a pound, so I'm going to break that up into 16 ounces and 2 ounces, and those 16 ounces give us a whole nother pound. So I'll have 4 pounds total and 2 ounces left over. On F, we have 30 pounds and 9 ounces plus 9 pounds and 9 ounces. We'll add the pounds, we'll get 39 pounds. Add the ounces, we get 18 ounces. Well, those ounces, if I split them up, 16 of those ounces will make another pound. So really we have 40 pounds total in those 2 leftover ounces. Alright, let's look at G. We've got 25 pounds and 2 ounces minus 14 ounces. There's not enough ounces to take from the first term, so we're going to split 25 pounds up into 24 pounds and 16 ounces. We got to add it back to those 2 ounces that we have. So we'll say 24 pounds and 18 ounces minus 14 ounces, which will leave us with 24 pounds and 4 ounces. Okay, I'm going to use a different color so I don't run over, so you don't get confused here. So we have 125 pounds and 2 ounces minus 12 pounds and 3 ounces. We don't have enough ounces on the left to subtract, so I'm going to change this to 124 pounds and 16 ounces. When I add those 2 ounces back, I'll get 124 pounds and 18 ounces minus 12 pounds and 3 ounces. So the 124 minus 12 will leave us with 112 pounds. And 18 ounces minus 3 ounces will leave us with 15 ounces. So we have 112 pounds and 15 ounces. Alright, let's look at this word problem. Number 2 says the total weight of Sarah and Amanda's full backpacks is 27 pounds. Sarah's backpack weighs 15 pounds and 9 ounces. How much does Amanda's backpack weigh? So we're going to have to subtract in order to figure out Amanda's backpack weight, since we know the total in one of the girls. So I'm going to say 27 pounds minus 15 pounds and 9 ounces. Well, I don't have ounces to subtract, so I'm going to change 27 pounds to 26 pounds and 16 ounces. And then I'm going to start subtracting. So we have 26 pounds and 16 ounces minus 15 pounds and 9 ounces. Well, 26 minus 15 will give you 11 pounds. And 16 ounces minus 9 ounces will give you 7 ounces. So Amanda's backpack weighs 11 pounds and 7 ounces. Alright, let's look at number 3. In Emma's supply box, a pencil weighs 3 ounces, her scissors weigh 3 ounces more than the pencil, and a bottle of glue weighs 3 times as much as scissors. How much does the bottle of glue weigh in pounds and ounces? Let's figure out scissors first, because we can't figure out the glue till we know scissors. Well, scissors is just 3 ounces more than the pencil, which is already 3 ounces. So I'm going to say scissors are going to be 3 ounces plus 3 ounces, because they're 3 ounces more than the pencil, which will give us 6 ounces for scissors. The bottle of glue is 3 times as much. So I could say 6 ounces times 3, or I could say 6 ounces plus 6 ounces plus 6 ounces, which altogether give me 18 ounces. And it wants the answer in pounds and ounces. Well, 16 ounces is a pound, which will leave us with 2 leftover ounces. So altogether, the glue bottle weighs 1 pound and 2 ounces. All right, let's look at 4. It says use the information in the chart about Jody's school supplies to answer the following questions. On Monday, Jody packs only her laptop and supply case into her backpack. How much does her full backpack weigh? So we're going to add the laptop weight and the supply case weight together. So I'm going to say 5 pounds and 12 ounces for the laptop, and then add 1 pound for the supply case. It's kind of hard with the 1s and the lbs here. There we go. So altogether it'll just be 6 pounds and 12 ounces is how much her backpack weighs on Monday. Okay, let's look at B. On Tuesdays, Jody brings her laptop, supply case, 2 notebooks, and 2 textbooks in her backpack. On Fridays, she only brings her binder and supply case. How much less does Jody's full backpack weigh on Fridays than on Tuesday? So we got to figure out Tuesday's weight, we got to figure out Friday's weight, and we got to subtract them. So let's start Tuesday. That's a lot we got to add. So on Tuesday, we've got the laptop, which will be 5 pounds and 12 ounces. We've got a supply case, which is a pound. We've got 2 notebooks, which are each 11 ounces. And we've got 2 textbooks, which are each 3 pounds and 8 ounces. So I did this the long way. You could shorten it by combining them in your head if you need to. I went through and added each piece and then converted it as I went. You don't have to do that. You could just add the pounds and ounces and then convert at the end. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to go through the process and cross out each piece as I go. So first I added 5 pounds and 12 ounces plus a pound and got 6 pounds and 12 ounces. I'm going to add each step one at a time, plus one of the notebooks, which is 11 ounces, which will give me 6 pounds and 23 ounces. Now, at first, I didn't have to convert it, but I went ahead and did. So 23 16 ounces I pull out, and I'll have 7 left over. And so, really, I have 7 pounds and 7 ounces after that first notebook. I'm going to have to end up erasing some to fit it all here. Okay, now we got to add the second notebook, so I'll have 7 pounds and 7 ounces plus another 11 ounces, which will give me 7 pounds and 18 ounces. Which is really, when I pull out the 16 ounces, 8 pounds and 2 ounces. Now I got to add the 2 textbooks, and I'm going to erase them so I can fit the next part of the problem. So I have 8 pounds and 2 ounces so far, and now I got to add 2 textbooks to that. So I'm going to write 8 pounds and 2 ounces plus 3 pounds and 8 ounces for one of the textbooks, which will give me 11 pounds and 10 ounces. And then we got one more textbook to add, so we'll say 11 pounds and 10 ounces plus 3 pounds and 8 ounces. And I'll get 14 pounds and 18 ounces, which we know we can split up that 18 ounces into a pound and 2 extra ounces, which will leave us with a total of 15 pounds and 2 ounces for her backpack on Tuesday. So I'm going to erase all this so we have enough room and just put Tuesday's total as 15 pounds and 2 ounces. Okay, now let's figure out Friday's total. Friday, she only carries her binder and supply case, so that should be super easy. So we're going to take her binder, which is 2 pounds and 5 ounces, plus 1 pound for her supply case, which will just leave us with a total of 3 pounds and 5 ounces for Friday. And now we've got to subtract the two to figure out the difference in the weight. So I'm going to say 15 pounds and 2 ounces minus 3 pounds and 5 ounces. Can't subtract it like it is. I don't have enough ounces on the left, so I'm going to split 15 pounds into 14 pounds and 16 ounces with those two, which would be 14 pounds and 18 ounces minus 3 pounds and 5 ounces, which altogether would leave me with 11 pounds and 13 ounces. So that's the difference in the weight on Tuesday and on her Friday backpacks. All right, if you have questions, let me know.